Welcome back to my channel, dolls. This is DeAndrea Renee. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Now, y'all, today we are going to have a little fun with some color. I'm so excited. But if you guys are interested in this makeup look, then let me know down below so I can get that tutorial out to you guys. So make sure you let me know. Alright, y'all, so I just have this flesh colored wig cap and I'm just going to throw on my wig. Now, this is a wig that was once 613 blonde, and I did personally color this wig myself. So if you guys are interested in that video, make sure you check it out. That will be uploaded very soon. But I'm just throwing on my wig and I'm going to secure it with my Got to Be Glued gel as well as the spray, just like everybody else. So you guys can go ahead and watch me transform this look, and yeah, enjoy the music. They don't give a damn about you, and they will never love you like I do. So I'm just blow drying that layer of gel so it can become tacky. Telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone. And for a little bit of extra security, I'm using my Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray. Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I get. And you want to make that tacky as well. They don't love you like I. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my wig and go ahead and set that with the blow dryer too. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They will never run like I do. They don't give a damn about you, and they will never love you like I do. How many times will it take for you to realize that I'm your right? They just want my spot, but ain't gonna treat you right. It ain't no secret, baby, everybody knew. Like Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I reload it? I'm here for the ride. They don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love them. Minute she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. Now, y'all, these are some panty hoes, okay? I just grabbed whatever I had that would work, and these will work. So go ahead and tie that frontal down so you can set that. And I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this hair because it is looking a little wild, y'all. So knocking out two birds with one stone. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this, and I'm using this protective spray by Paul Mitchell called Hot Off the Press. Yeah. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They will never run like I do. They don't give a damn about you, and they will never love you like I do. Let's keep for that beat
beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you liked it, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and make sure you are subscribed, girl. Go ahead. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.